In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wedding RSVP site using Wix. This guide is perfect for those who want a stress-free way to manage their wedding invitations and guest list online. Creating a wedding RSVP website can save you time, streamline your planning process, and offer your guests a convenient way to respond. Let's dive right in. The first step in creating your wedding RSVP site is to choose a suitable wedding template. Wix makes this easy by offering a range of elegant templates specifically designed for weddings. These templates not only embody the romantic and graceful feel you're going for, but also include built-in RSVP functionality to simplify your guest management. It's important to select a template that resonates with your personal style and the overall theme of your wedding. Bear in mind that all of the templates are mobile-friendly, ensuring that your guests can access your site easily, whether they're using a phone, tablet, or computer. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to perfectly match your wedding theme. Once you've picked the ideal template, the next step is to add an RSVP form to your site. This is a crucial element as it enables you to collect your guests' responses efficiently. Here's how you can seamlessly integrate an RSVP form using the Wix platform. Begin by navigating to your site's dashboard, where you'll find the Events section. Click on Create Event and choose RSVP Event to start setting up your event details. Here, you'll need to enter essential information such as the event's date, time, and location. Ensure these details are accurate and clearly stated to avoid any confusion. After entering your event details, it's time to customize the registration form to gather all necessary information from your guests. In the Wix editor, you can do this by clicking on Add, then selecting Contact and Forms, and finally Forms. You'll have the option to pick a form template that fits your needs or to craft a unique, personalized one. It's usually a good idea to add fields such as name, email, and RSVP status, whether it's a yes or no. Depending on what you require, you might also want to include additional fields for meal preferences or notes. Finally, take some time to ensure that the form's design aligns with your wedding theme. This might involve tweaking colors, fonts, and even the text to make everything feel cohesive and aesthetically pleasing. With this final touch, your RSVP site will not only be functional, but will also embody the spirit and style of your special day. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to create a wedding RSVP site using Wix. With these steps, you can manage your invitations and guest responses with ease, allowing you to spend more time focusing on other important aspects of your wedding planning. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your wedding planning journey a little smoother.